How to log into your American Express savings account. So first open any web browser you have. So I have my Google Chrome open right here, and then search for American Express login. And once you search for it, the very first link that shows up is this one, the official American Express website. Just click on it. And once you click on it, as you can see, here is a blue button at the top right that says login. Just click on this option, and here you will just have to enter your user ID and enter your password. Once you enter your password, can choose your account type. That says mine is just the first default one, card and banking. And if you want the website or your browser to save your info, login info, just check this box right here and then simply click on login. If you forgot your user ID or password, you can contact the support team to recover your password or your user ID. And that's how you can easily log into your American Express savings account. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.